So now we're going to take a look at questions 1. A. A developer of a new subdivision offers a prospective home buyer a choice of 4 design, 3 different conditioners, a garage, and a porch. So how many different plans are available for this buyer? First of all, we're going to take out all of the information, which we have 4 design, 3 different air conditioners, 1 garage, and 1 porch. So this question is just going to be straight to the point. So we're just going to use factorial rules here. It's going to be 4 factorial plus 3 factorials plus 1 factorial plus 1 factorials. So it's going to be a total of 32 plans. Next, we're going to move on to question B. A witness of a hit and run incident told the police that the registration number of the automobile contained the letter R, L, H followed by 3 digits, the first of which is a 5. If the witness could not recall the last 2 digits, but was certain that all the 3 digits are different, determine the maximum number of automobile registration that the police may have to check. So we're gonna take out all of the information. We have R, L, H, 5 and another 2 digits. So it also said that all the 3 digits are different. So now let's find all the possible combinations. We have R, L, H and 5 here, another 2 digits. So since registration number only have 9 possible digits, so we're gonna use 8 because we already used one here. So 8 P1. So this one is gonna be 7 because we already used one here. So 8 plus 7 in it is gonna be a total of 19 possible combinations. So that's all for these questions. Next, we're gonna move on to question C. The letter of the word surviving is written on the card, are then shuffles and placed in line. So number one, in how many ways can the card be arranged? So this is also a straight to the point question. So we're just gonna use factorial rules, which is gonna be 9 factorial, and the answer is gonna be a total of 362,880 ways. So next question is 3 letters are chosen at random. 3 letters. So calculate the probability that most 2 letters chosen are consonants. So in the word surviving, we have 3 vowels and 6 consonants. So we just gonna choose 3 letters. So 1, 2, 3. The first one we will put the vowels here. So it's gonna be 3C1 or 3P1, either one. We can use either one. So the second one we're gonna use uh, uh we're gonna put the consonants character here. So it's gonna be C1 and 5C1. So it's gonna be 3, 6 and 5. So a total of 14 ways to put. So the last question is a library contains 10 thrillers and 18 science fiction books. In how many ways can a borrower select 2 of each? So this question want to know how many ways a borrower can select 2 of each. So uh, like usual, we take out all the informations. We have 10 thrillers, 18 science fictions, and this one, the borrow 2 of each. So we're gonna use permutation rule. So 10 P2 and 18 P2. So it's gonna be 90 and 306. So a total of 396 ways for the borrower to select 2 of each. So that's all for questions 1. We're gonna move to the next questions.
Now I will teach you how to solve for this question. First, we need to read the whole question and determine this question on what topic. This is topic 2. Now let's move to question A. Draw 3 diagram. Before that, from the statement, let A wrote A, let B wrote B, C she will be home no later 6 p.m. and C prime she will be home later than 6 p.m. The statement, we know that PA equal to 0.4, so PB must be 0.6 because probability must be 1. From A, divide by 2 line where C and C prime same goes to the B. From the statement also, we know that PCA equal to 0.8, so PC prime A equal to 0.2. Besides, we know that PCB equal to 0.7, so PC prime B equal to 0.3, and this will be your T3 diagram. Let's look at question B. Calculate the probability that Amy comes home no later than 6 p.m. So, from the question, Amy comes home no later than 6 p.m., which is PC. So, when we need to find PC equal to PA intersect C plus PB intersect C. So, PA intersect C, which is 0.4 multiplied with 0.8 plus 0.6 multiplied with 0.7. So we can get 0.32 plus 0.42, which is the answer is 0.74. C. If Amy is home after 6 p.m. today, calculate the probability that she took road B. From the question, we know that Amy is home after 6 p.m. today. Probability that she took is road B. So PB intersect C prime is the question we need to answer. So PB intersect C prime is PB multiply with PC prime B. So PB is 0.6 and PC prime B is 0.3. So when we multiply, we can get 0.18. D. Calculate the probability that Amy comes home no later than 6 p.m. and she took road B. So we can simplify as PA intersect C. So PA intersect C is PA multiplied with PCA. PA is 0.4 and PCA is 0.8. So we can multiply both of these and we can get 0.32. Now, let's move to question 3. A student was conducting an experiment of rolling a pair of fair dice. List all of the possible outcomes in the sample space. So this is easy one because we just need to list all of the possible outcomes, such as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and so on until we done. So the total sample is 36. Let's answer for B1. Based on the sample space listed, find the probabilities of the following event to even number showing. Even number in dice is 2, 4, and 6. So this is some way to find to even number showing. When we do, then we can get 9 total bracket of 2 even number. We use the formula Px equal to Nx over Ns. Nx is 9 and Ns is 36. So 9 over 36 is 1 over 4. B2. A sum less than 8. A sum less than 8 means the column of A plus B must less than 8. For example, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 less than 8. So 2 less than 8, which is right. Another example where A equal to C and B equal to 5, which is 6 plus 5 less than 8. So 11 less than 8, where is wrong. So we can't take A equal to C and B equal to 5 for our answer. So back to formula, which is Px equal to Nx over Ns, where Nx is 21 over 36 equal to 7 over 12. B3, an odd number. An odd sum is when A plus B equal to odd number. For example, A equal to 2, B equal to 1, so 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 is odd number, so this is right. Another example is A equal to 2 and B equal to 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 is not odd number, so it is wrong. Back to formula, which is Px equal to Nx over Ns. So Nx equal to 18 and Ns equal to 36. So 18 over 36 is 1 over 2. And that will be your final answer.